Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how do you pay with cash on Doordash. So let's get into the video. Firstly, go to Doordash. So first open up Doordash. So once you've opened up Doordash on their site, so next what you're going to do is you're going to sign in to your account. So yeah, you can sign in using your credentials. So click on your sign in option. So will be here. Mine is already signed in, so that's why I don't have to sign in. But if you have for years, please sign in. So once you're signed in and you're on your home page here, so what you're going to do now is you're going to make an order. So for example, let me choose something. So I'll just choose this, right? And then I'll just add this order. Okay, I'll just choose this. Okay, I'm just making an order. All right, all right. Okay, yep. So once you've made an order here, so what you're going to do now here is you're going to click on the checkout option. All right, so once you click on the checkout option here, you should see you should get to the payment page here. So here under the payment details here if you want to pay by cash, then you will have the different payment methods here, and if you're paying by cash, then you should see the cash option here. But if you don't see the cash option, that means that the restaurant doesn't accept cash payments, because as you see, not all restaurants accept cash payments. So you got to check on that. So if that cash option is not available for you, that means the restaurant doesn't accept it. So you got to choose alternate payment methods. But if the cash option is available, then this is where you will have to choose the cash option. So under payment details, just choose cash and then proceed with your order, and that's how you pay with cash on Doordash. So hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.